Welcome to Oma's channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we are going to prepare this tasty party smoky jollof rice with goat meat. Please stay with me and see how I did this wonder. So in here in the pot, I will be boiling down 5 bell pepper, 2 hot habanero pepper, 1 kilo of fresh tomato, 1 white onions and garlic, also with ginger. I blended them very well and I am bringing them to boil. Yes, you have to boil the water down until there is no water or little. This is very important in the process of cooking jollof rice. Over here, I'll be seasoning my goat meat, and the ingredients I'll be using is onions, garlic, and ginger. I'll be blending them to use it to season the goat meat. I will be pouring in the pepper mixture that I blend to the meat. And here I have thyme, salt, cubes. I have the bay leaves, nutmeg, and the curry powder. I will be adding them to the meat so that they will cook and be tasteful. I'm stirring it very well or mixing them very well to make sure that they are well combined. Then I will go ahead and put it in the gas without water for 5 minutes. And this is how it turns out to be after 5 minutes. You are cooking without water at first because you want the goat meat to release its own water, which is tasteful for the food. After it is well cooked for 45 minutes, I go ahead to fry them. We want to fry until it is brown in color. Yes, gold or brown. We don't want it to be black. We want to enjoy our food and also the tasteful flavor of the meat. So you fry until it is brown in color. I'll be showing you the rice that I'm using to cook this jollof rice. Yes, this is the rice, vaporizado. I will use 1.5 kg of it. A lot of people don't like using it because they say that it doesn't look good when you finish cooking it. But I'm going to surprise you. It's not only basmati that reigns. This one is also good in cooking jollof rice. Look at the meat. It is brown in color. Yes, well fried. I'm going to take them away. And over here, I'll be putting the rice. I will parboil this rice for 3 minutes at least in that hot water. You don't want to cook it. You are just parboiling it. Over to my oil that I used to fry the meat, I will add the onions. This is very important that you use the same oil you used to fry meat to fry your stew. Remember what we are looking for? The party smoky taste of this jollof rice. Just a few minutes, which is not even up to 1 minute that I add the onions, I go ahead to add my concentrated tomato. I will fry until there is no sticky taste on it. Yeah, Here over, I am coming to check on my rice. I'm taking it over to the strainer. It doesn't have to be on that hot water, no. If not, it will continue cooking. In the stew, I'll be adding curry, thyme, and nutmeg. We are frying all these things together because jollof rice is about frying. Everything have to fry if you want to get that taste of party smoky jollof rice. You have to fry, yes. It's important, this process. I also add one important flavor, which is onion powder. If you have onion powder, it's very essential to use it as well in your jollof rice. So this is the boiled blended bell pepper and tomatoes that I showed you earlier. I don't have to fry it much now because it has been cooked. So I just fry like 5 minutes, and I will go ahead to add the rice and the broth of the goat meat. Pardon me if I'm sounding like this. I have edited 3 videos today. So the poor girl is tired. So please, if you are watching and you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Yes, thank you also my returnee subscriber for your love and appreciation for watching. Yes, thank you so much. I am adding 1 cube there again. I am using total 3 cubes in this 1.5 kg of rice. I always salt to taste. You will fry and make sure that those oil start coming out by the corner. Once the stew started releasing the oil corner by corner and on top of your stew, my dear, well done. You have fried well. You have fried well, very, very well. Yes. That oil is a sign of well done work. Yes, well done work is showing you. I'll go ahead to share the tomato into 3. I'm taking the first part of it out. The reason why I'm doing this is because I don't want too much tomato on the damp part, and on the top you have less. Everything have to be well mixed, remember. So I'm taking out this tomato or this stew for the next use, which is to the layer part of it. I'll go ahead and add the broth. Don't mind that oil, we need it. I don't know why it's sleeping. We need it for tasty smoky party jollof rice. If you have not eaten jollof rice before, if you are staying near me, just tell me, I will cook and give you. Jollof rice is one of Nigeria's popular party food. If you have been in a party of any Nigeria, you didn't eat jollof rice, ask the host why. We serve it in all our party. Jollof rice is very tasty and good. So here I am pouring in the rice. I'm going to pour all of them there. No need of counting the spoon. So this is where you need to respect this rice. Don't turn with stick as if you are turning pounded yam. No. Use a stapler. Go in. When you go in, you say, I respect your rice. Because if you don't do that, your rice will be sticky. But if you want it to be fluffy, you have to be fluffy with it. Yeah. Then the stew, I'm going to pour them on top of it. We want even distribution. Yes. The lower part of it have received its own treatment. So the upper part of it and the middle layer, there are still white rice that I'm seeing there, and I don't like it. So I have to mix more and more. The remaining stock. Also in this recipe, you don't need water. Oh. Hey, no water. With this stock, this rice will cook. And the remaining one, I will show you as we go ahead how it will come to its completely cooked rice. Yes, respect. Shake, let it dance and get in. Yay! You see that? That is respect, and the rice will reciprocate. Hi. You see, I am still adding more stew, which is very important. Add stew. If you want a good looking jollof rice, don't be stingy with the tomato stew. Yes. So I will cover and let it to drain the water. Look at that. Now it is draining the water, and this is after 7 minutes. I check on it, and yes, it have drained the stock. May looking at it, you may be tempted to add water and say, no, it's not done, it's not cooked, I want to put water. Don't try that. Respect the recipe of party jollof rice. Respect it. No water. The reason why I'm still turning it is I want them to be well combined. Looking at that, you can still be seeing some white rice. We don't need that. And in some aspect, it's because the rice is not well cooked. If it's not well cooked, the rice will still be white. But this, yes, cover it with foil. That is the next action. No more water. What you need is to steam the rice. And to steam the rice, you use foil. Make sure there is no way that air is passing. It's going to cook with steam now. Yes, like that. And I use the cover. I also cover the cover with the foil. I think I didn't show it here. I used my kitchen towel as well to help it. And after another 7 minutes or 5 minutes, yeah, I think 7 minutes, just make sure that you are shaking on it. Look at that. Oof, beautiful. Look at the color. And yet it's not well cooked. We'll still leave it for about more 5 minutes. By this time, my stapler was not able to carry the weight of the rice. Yeah, so I use my stainless stapler to do that. And you see, who says that this rice is not good to use to cook jollof rice? Well, the length you may say, but for this rice, it's very tasteful. Look at it. Everything is combined. The light of my camera was not respecting this rice. Real life, the color was reddish. I was there turning in the light and adding white light and the other color of light yet. So here I'm going to add in cubes of butter and onions, red onions to garnish it. You may wonder why I'm putting butter there. Yes, we have done a lot of frying and we want our jollof rice to be moist, not dry. So adding the butter there will help it to release some moisture. Yes. So gently, everything I'm doing here is gently. I'm not fighting with this rice. So if you want to have this delightful preparation, you do the same. I'll just stir it in and it is well combined. That is the end of it. The rice is ready. Please, my dear, if you enjoy watching, subscribe to my channel. There are more beautiful things coming your way. So make sure you try this recipe. Try it and send me. Let me see how it went. If you follow it, all these steps that I use, you would definitely enjoy party smoky jollof rice with any proteins of your choice, meat, fish, whatever. Yeah, more respect. You have to keep it clean. Look at that. And finally, I will cover it again for the last 5 minutes. Yes, my finger said 5, and that was it. And during this last 5 minutes, what I'm going to do is to hide the light, the gas, so that it will get burnt and release that smoky flavor. So when you raise the light, just be counting to 70 or 60, which is 1 minute. Then the rice will burn and release that smoky patty jollof rice that you want. Yes, it is perfectly cooked. It is ready. Yeah, by this time, the plate was beside me to dish. Yes, for those who are really hungry, who are anxiously waiting for this jollof rice. Did you see that? Fluffy, is not sticky. Fluffy, very tasteful, colorful. Yes. And also there's a promo if you're living near me and you have not eaten jollof rice before. I will cook for you. So after this I garnish it and this is the outcome. Thank you so much for watching. Please, I will see you in my next channel. Bye bye.